123 Cantiere del Marche 2019 Axio A123 is a 3-deck full-displacement explorer vessel in steel and aluminum, 37,3 mountain length overall and 7,8 mountain beam for a gross tonnage of 340. Axio O is the epitome of the CDM level of customization, born after a brief given by an owner which was particularly impressed by the vessel performances at sea and robustness but not appealed by the tug-style Darwin class or the timeless design Nada Air. He was looking for a masculine look yet with stylish and flowing lines, which CDM was able to interpret and shape with the profile of Axio. Under the design point of view, the stair on the transom is surely among the yacht's top features. It creates an alfresco beach club between cockpit and swimming platform which, unlike all other shipyards, is open to the sea and seamless connects the salon to the water, and it is perfectly serviceable by the crew. Tender can be either chosen to be accommodated in the garage or on the up deck.